how to delete YouTube channel on phone 2022. Firstly, open up your YouTube application, tap on your profile icon on your right upper side, and as you get right here, you're gonna find out all these selections. Go manage your Google account, and as you get on that right point selection, it will take you to the main point, which simply you need to go and log in if you cannot cite on your site selection. Then scroll on your right side on your upper selection, go data and privacy, and as you get right here, simply if you scroll down, you're gonna find out all these selections, and as you get to the right point, it is on the right session. For simply, as you can see, deleting that section, just go delete a Google servers or a site selection which is from your YouTube channel, and simply need to verify that's you and all that stuff. You need to sign in, and then it will take you automatically to remove or delete your YouTube channel.